G'day viewers, it's Marcus Hucker here from What Tradies Want. I'm here on the lovely Northern Beaches with Matty Page, our key tool thrasher. We're going to be looking at a pretty popular category today, and that is cordless drills. We've got a couple of fantastic Bosch Blue cordless drills. They're part of their new dynamic range, which comes complete with the new EC Brushless motor, and their metal chucks, which is what the main difference is between this range and the previous range. So Matty, when we're looking at this category of 18-volt cordless drill drivers, what are some of the things you'd like to see in it?
One, I'd probably pick it up and see how compact and heavy it is. Like this one's really compact, nice and light. You can see it's a lot shorter than the last model. The ergonomics of the handle are really good. They've changed the grip. We've got full metal chuck, 2 speeds, good battery size.
What sort of applications are you sort of looking for as a tradie?
Yeah, mate. Well, green plugs and screws is a massive one. Hole sawing through softwood timber and drilling through softwood timber as well.
So it's mainly for softwood stuff, a bit of masonry work up to a certain range level, and it's the thing that you're going to probably go to mostly in your toolkit. So this category's seen some pretty big advances in I suppose, performance and technology over the last couple of years. What are some of the things you see as driving this, Matty?
Mate, this one's the EC motor. We've got a no-load speed of 1.9, and it's got a little bit less torque than the Destroyer series, but in comparison, it's a no-brainer.
So one thing I noted, Matty, when I was reading up on this product is that it's got this new precision clutch. It seems quite a unique feature. What's that?
Well, with the old models, with the precision clutch, you'd get a noise when you get to the right torque.
Ratchet.
Yeah,
the ratchet.
This new one, as you can hear, it just stops when you get to the right clutch.
So what you're saying with the precision clutch is that once you've adjusted your torque setting, the drill actually cuts out rather than rattling on like other drills do. And that, Bosch is saying, are going to give you better longevity for the tool, less noise and vibration. Sounds like a good thing. We'll test that out. Another innovative feature of the 18-volt VEC dynamic is the kickback control, which they've lifted over from the Destroyer that we've tested a couple of months ago. What's the deal with the kickback control, mate?
The kickback control will turn the motor off when the drill jams. Ultimately going to save your wrist from breaking,
right,
which is a no-brainer as well.
So we've all had that situation when we're drilling down into something. It might be some metal that we're pre-drilled, and all of a sudden the bit bites and you get yanked, especially with the power of these new cordless products. It's quite a dangerous situation, especially if you're on scaffolding or something like that. This cuts it out.
Yeah, it will save your wrist.
All right, well I suppose we better put some stuff together and get some tests done for you guys and see how they go.
Okay, first we're going to test the GSR into some softwood to see how fast she goes. Test 2, we're going to go into some hardwood. Now usually when drilling into hardwood of that size, on the high speed setting, your drill's motor would have probably cut out, and that was effortless. Now I'm going to demonstrate the precision clutch to show the torque setting cutting off the motor. Okay, now we've put in some batten screws into the timber, and we're going to try and jam the drill to demonstrate the kickback control. Okay, now we've just noticed the LED light has indicated that the kickback control has come into place, and also the electric motor protection has also come into play as well. Now we're going to test the GSB into the masonry. We're going to put the largest size that they recommend, the 13mm, which you obviously wouldn't do this all the time with a drill like this. You'd probably use a rotary hammer, but it'll get the job done. Now for some proper tough testing.
So Matty, we've given these two tools a bit of a thrashing. Look, we've tested the durability. The 13mm metal chuck is a certain winner. We tested the EC Brushless motor with the improved RPM. It's got oodles of torque with the work into the hardwood. The kickback control worked fantastically. And then we saw the new LED light come on when that kickback control activated. The precision clutch, now that was a cool innovative feature that I haven't seen on another tool, where the actual tool cuts out. Well done. So what do you reckon, Matty?
Mate, I've actually had these on site for the last few weeks and they've performed really well. You know, green plugs and screws into blockwork and brick. I haven't got the rotary hammer drill out for small stuff like that. I guess that's really what this drill's about.
Yeah, it's the all-rounder. So what do they get, the Tradies Tough Test?
Stamp of approval.
Thanks guys for watching, and go to our Facebook page for more information on what Tradies want and all the tools we test. If you want more information on the Bosch Blue products in this particular range, the Dynamic EC Brushless range, go to their website. And I suppose that's it from me and Matt. Till next time.
Bye.